guys, good morning. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay, this is the new Toyota Land Cruiser 2023. Okay, you can see how is it really designed. It is really designed though. The seatings are really good, and the functions what they have changed. It is very good. It's very nice. And this is actually the Land Cruiser, the latest model, and you can see everything is perfect. And you have a best feeling to drive this. Yeah, so you can just check. These are the buttons, and this is the parking, and these are the gear level for, and this is purely automatic, and this is for the parking, reverse, neutral, drive, and the mode to select like drive mode, and when the crawls, and you have this, and for landslidings and all, landsliding and all, you have all these cars, and this is purely a beautiful look. And yeah, it's mainly made for 4x4. And can you just have a review? And look, this is very beautiful, right? If I'm not wrong. See, and there's a beautiful seatings behind, and we have a rooftop, and it's really good. It's very nice.